Think we'll manage, but drunk. Everything cool starts from B, right? Cool Binod, cool blue. Now, jump here. Welcome to the Cube Museums of Rotterdam. Arigato gozaimasu. Welcome to Rotterdam. Alright guys, so we have just reached Rotterdam now. So we are going to the hotel first. And after that we will go out to explore the city. Tell me madam, how can I touch my mouth if
We need to
I'm
pay
with
by
you?
our credit cards, right?
For what?
For our NS works here. For the tram and
Mine comes together. Yours I don't know. Everything that I pay comes together in one bill. So what do you mean by understand? That's a nice building. Tram 3. Cornisland. Run. I don't think we'll manage, but run. You made me run for no reason. I don't know. I think 3 is coming in 7 minutes. Everything cool starts from B, right? Cool Binod, cool blue. Everything. I'm recording everything. I remember some of these sites from here, but it's been a long time since I took it. Code? Well, let's see. 2301 is that one right over here. Welcome. Oh. Wow. This is television or mirror? Let's see the view. This is the most important thing.
just to say, dear Markthal, lovely to welcome you at In-House Rotterdam Hotel. Enjoy your stay and let us know please if there is anything you need help. Regards, this relation and we have
Why didn't have my name on it? Let's see in the bathroom what they have.
you can see the back.
Yeah, that's where I'm going now.
No, then you need to click from here. Because it's easy.
Does it also open from here? No. Wow. Nice. What is it? Because of this thing, it's so confusing. And here, wait. What do you think? Nice? Please, chocolates.
It's beautiful. Order your favorite drinks and bites by scanning the QR code and we will be there for you.
I'm gonna jump. Alright fellas, we have just arrived to Anha Hotel in Rotterdam. So today we just have a small program that we are going to a show, and then tomorrow we will be exploring more of this city. The hotel is really good. So as you see here, it has amazing bedroom, bathrooms, and really cute small setup. But what I like the most about this hotel till now so far is this view. So you can see the whole of Rotterdam, the harbor and the sky towers, and everything is just there, and the whole wall of this site is with glass, so you can see the entire thing. So far I'm just loving it. Good morning people, this is day 2 in Rotterdam, and right now we are heading towards the breakfast room of Anha Hotel where we are staying today. This morning was amazing. This is how we woke up. So this is the entire view of Rotterdam here. What do you want? Our salad section on this side. Section is here. So there's a small bar on this side, so you could easily see around. Myself, and I'll see you in a bit.
The one that you got.
The one that I got is for you.
It's okay. Hello.
And enjoy.
The pancake is really not good. Is it the wood?
So this is Rotterdam day 2. We are starting our day trip today from in front of the Anha Hotel. Our first destination is going to be where? Where?
Cubes.
Cubes. So it's an iconic building in Rotterdam which is quite famous. We're gonna go there. After that we continue to other places that are good to see and explore in Rotterdam. Italy. Welcome to the Cube Museums of Rotterdam. Arigato gozaimasu. So basically all of these houses, they look cube, uh, as if they are falling down, but in reality it's a very unique design that you'll see around here. uh, and it's quite popular sculpture of this area right here. They also have a small souvenir shop inside, and you see this a lot of people are around here. They are taking pictures and videos because this is pretty unique, I would say. It's not a maze. Matabjun is tired and she wants to explore Rotterdam. After the cube house, we are heading towards the Markthal. They have amazing foods, beer, alcoholic, and also you find different kind of cuisines inside. Wanna buy something here?
رئیس شد 4 تا جیگه
Yeah. No. liver has a strong flavor.
You like it?
I like the heart better.
I don't like it.
Can cross the street from here or go a bit further? How was 20 euros ticket to this museum?
I get it from you.
This is your course.
Let's go to Rotterdam.